Have you ever wondered how you can potentially make some income in real estate and positively making some cash flow profits on an everyday basis? My friends, do not go away. In this video, I am going to be showing you a property that I went through to see that can give you profit on a monthly basis. Well, when this property is running at full capacity, an odd 21,000 rand can be recuperated, and the seller has migrated overseas and he's wanting to sell it at 1.5 million. He wants it gone, and we know what that means when somebody wants it gone, but 1.5 is what you are going to be getting it for. At the end of this video, I am going to be sharing with you a walkthrough of this property. It's a beautiful property in my view, one of those old properties. If you are staying in Johannesburg, this could be a deal for you. Why do I say that? Number one, it is in the Eastern area. So this is where back in the days, a lot of mines were. If you understand Johannesburg, it was a city of gold. At some point, we still have gold coming out here and there. However, I do want to stress that if you understand the neighborhoods, especially in the eastern areas, those were predominantly, I want to say, the management or the senior people that used to work in the mines. They used to stay in these particular areas in the eastern area. So lots of the houses there in this particular instance, in this particular suburb, the houses are spacious, big. You get a bedroom that's kind of like maybe about 20 squares, a bedroom, right? And over and above that, you get a humongous property with a big size. This property is just above 1,000 squares, and it even has a swimming pool on it. But the swimming pool is not working. Now, I see huge potential. As you all know, that I'm in the real estate space. I buy my own properties. And I also like to bring out good deals to you. Like today, it is Wednesday deal day. I bring out to you. And those that are wanting to learn, they get to learn with me in the master classes that we run. But today we are talking about this particular deal. What is it? So, it is a house with multiple cottages on the property. Like I did say, you're going to see it in the walkthrough. Anybody who's got about plus minus 1,500, my friends, you can be able to get this property. My team is available for you to go and view it. And we're going to do a show day where you are going to just basically go and see it all at the same time for those that are interested. And for some of you might be overseas, you might want to just say, TJ, I want to close this deal. Again, I am happy to do that for you. If you are interested in the deal, what can you do? First point is you can drop us a WhatsApp on the number right here below, +27 784 422 6647. That's our hotline number. That's the first thing that you can do. The second one is you can drop us an email which says hello@thetjtribe.com, and we'll be able to respond to you. However, write in the comments, we pin right there on top. It does say there, Linktree, Meet the TJ Tribe. There's a form that you can complete, and you can be able to capture all of your details, and then thereafter you will get many deals coming through your way. Dependent on how you are going to buy this property, you're going to get different cash or profit out of the deal. If you're just going to buy this property cash, right, the benefit that you're going to have here, my good friends, is that you don't pay any water. There is no water usage. We all worry about the water usage when you've got multiple tenants sitting on a property. Why? Because this property, my good friends, it's got a borehole, and the borehole is coming with the property. Surely it is a fixture, it's a fitting and fixtures, so the landlord can't carry his borehole with him, right? This is a property that comes with the borehole. The borehole is in existence. There's what else is there also, which is good for an investor person. The previous landlord or the current landlord, what he has done is also installed gas geysers around the property, and also the people on the property actually use gas to cook. So your electricity bill is almost next to nothing because you're utilizing gas. Your water bill is almost next to nothing, and you are utilizing the borehole water. And you can then collect your money on a monthly basis. If you're to go buy it with utilizing a bond, well, my good friends, that's how you're going to be making some money as well. And your only other cost is obviously on paying the bank. And if you are paying the bank on 1.5 million, you are likely going to be paying a repayment fee of plus minus 16,000, somewhere there. You can do the maths in depending on how much you qualify for. So the property is available. You are most welcome to see it. We're going to also, if you're really interested in it, once you reach out to us, we will send you a full pack. We call it an investor's pack, and basically we demonstrate to you what you can do with the property. There's so many opportunities in it. There's an opportunity of redeveloping on the property. You see the humongous stand that is there. There's an opportunity to uplift the property itself. You can see that there's a swimming, later on you'll see there's a swimming pool that's run down. I wouldn't suggest to even do anything around it. We'll just close it and then utilize that piece of land correctly. There's a few properties in the area that has already been doing similar things. So the stuff that we are going to recommend in the full pack, I can only give you the full pack when you reach out to us. This video here is just to show you that this property is available and you can see what it's looking like. And if you're good with 1.5 million, you can reach out to us, and my good friends, I will be able to share everything with you. Even better, my team will be available to take you to the property. And there are some of you who would know we've got a business that's called SA Realty. Those are my big partners in terms of managing property, and they'll be able to manage this property for you. It's not too far away from their office, so you are getting a property that someone else can manage for you. But hold on, let's go and check out the video, and then I'll see you just now. We are at it again. So my good friends, on this property here, I haven't seen a property with a borehole in a long time. So obviously this guy here who owned this house, or should I say who owns this house, knew exactly what they are after. It's a fully tenanted house here, and on this property they are looking at selling all this off, and you get to buy this with a borehole. This borehole is working at the moment. This is part of the garden. I'm just going to go through and give you the rundown of a house. In this house here, my friends, it is on sale, and as it is on sale, you'll be able to buy it yourself. As we go along, this is the entrance, and as we go into the entrance, we can see here that the lights, outside lights, are there, which is beautiful. And for some of you who don't know, my good friends, that is called a gas heater, gas geyser. And as we go outside, I'm just going to show you outside first, and then we're going to go through into the actual house. This is the back of the house. A huge stand here, waiting just to be developed by someone who is clever. And this swimming pool here, it has not been functioning in a long time, as we can see. Right, so on to my right is a couple of cottages. We're just going to walk through it all, and that's cottage number 1, and we're going through. That's got its own room and sublet, together with its own bathing room, and another one right here, and another one at the end there, and that takes us to the round of the house, around the house, and at the back there. And now we're going inside the house. The gas is connected through here. This is the gas. Obviously, for regulations, you need it to be enclosed, and it is enclosed, as you can see. And this is the kitchen, and this is a communal kitchen. Everybody uses this kitchen here, and beautiful in my view. And it's still functioning with the cupboards, and that is bedroom 1 is being let to someone else. And the stove is still working, and together with the kitchens, everything's still working nicely here. And as I go through into the corridor, and on my right hand side, that's beautiful. On my right hand side, we do have another bedroom, and as we can see in the corridor, there's been a little bit of work that needs to be done there because the ceilings, it looks like there might have been a problem with the ceilings. Coming back into another bedroom, this is open, so they do what is called room rental in this neighborhood. And this is a spacious room, and we can see there that there is a leak that was there, and they'll probably sort that one out, or they'll probably negotiate on how best we can work around that. But these are the defects. I like to show you what's wrong with the property before you buy it, my good friends. In here, we're not good to go in there because there's someone in there. And this bedroom on my right hand side, it utilizes this green bathing room in here. Beautiful, I think. There's an old stuff, so this is beautiful. Got your shower, not your shower, that's your full bath, toilet, beautiful sink, and we're going into another room, which is the main room here, and there we are. Beautiful space, and it's got, that's a nice, that green wall there. It's what do you call that green wall again? Centerpiece. It's a beautiful centerpiece. I like it. And we're going into the bathroom room, and as we go into the bathroom room here, and this is the toilet. It looks beautiful to me. They don't make them like this anymore. And as we go out, basically we were outside, and that's the full house, my good friends. Bingo, there you are. You have seen what the property looks like. Full of potential, my good friends. I do think that there is some money here that one can make. Entry level, you're making money. Phase 2, you can already develop it into something else. So the question that I'm asking of you, my good friend, is what are you waiting for? Right about 21,000 is what you're getting on this investment of a 1.5. It's a good deal in my view. Let me know. You've got our details. Until we see each other again right here at the TJ Tribe on our next video. It is boom boom.